The music starts, our hearts entwine.
In this moment, your love is mine. Our hearts entwine in the sweet melody. Our love shines bright. You make my heart purr, my love. I love being close to you.
How about a day out shopping, Bela?
Oh, Arso, yes, that sounds wonderful.
It's a plan. The sun is perfect for our walk today.
It is. Look at the shops.
Let's check them out after this.
Sounds like a plan.
Bela, look! That one sparkles!
Oh, it's beautiful. I love it.
Bela, look! This blue dress is perfect!
Oh, Arso, thank you.
Thank you so much, Arso.
Of course, Bela.
Where have you been? You look a mess.
I'm sorry, Aliya. It was a long day.
You cheated on me with Bela. I saw you. How could you? After everything.
Aliya, I didn't, I swear.
You did. I saw you with her.
No, you're wrong.
I saw you. Don't lie to me. You took the last treat.
I did not!
Liar, take this. Hey, you'll regret that. You have no right to judge me, Aliya. I was only trying to help Bela. By turning on me? Ugh, this cabinet.
What are you doing?
I'm so frustrated.
You're overreacting.
No, I'm not. Arso, why won't you understand? I'm so frustrated.
I do understand, but you're not being fair.
Fair, you never listen. You think you can just waltz in here with your excuses? Pathetic.
Aliya! You shattered the vase!
It was an accident, Arso!
How could you be so careless?
I didn't mean to!
Mama Aliya and Papa Arso were fighting. I heard them shouting. Will they be okay?
Arso, choose. It's her or me, now. I can't share you anymore. Decide!
Papa, please! Don't make us leave! Papa Arso, we want to stay with you! Please, Papa, don't send us away!
Out, now. Take the kittens and go.
Arso, please.
No more. Get out.
Shh, my little ones, it's all right. I'll be here.
Mama Aliya, why did Papa Arso do this? Mama Aliya, why did Papa Arso do this?
I've never felt this way about anyone before.
I feel the same way. It's like a dream. Arso, I have to confess something. I cheated.
You cheated? I can't believe it. Bela, your odd behavior is concerning. Explain yourself.
It's nothing, Arso.
Nothing? I don't believe you. Bela, why have you been acting so odd?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Aliya? Kittens? Aliya, where are you? Kittens, please. Aliya, I'm so sorry.
Arso? What is it?
I was wrong. We're almost home now.
The sun is coming out.
Yeah! Oh. I dream of our family being together again. That sounds beautiful, Bano. We'll be a happy family.
Aliya, I am so deeply sorry for everything. I never meant to hurt you. Please forgive me.
Our future feels so uncertain.
We'll rebuild it together.
A future filled with hope.
And each other.
I accept your apology, Arso.
Thank you, Aliya. I'm so relieved.
Let's eat, everyone. It looks wonderful.
I'm so hungry.
Go on, dig in.